Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
बीजेपी सरकाराच्या डबल ट्रॅक प्लॅना आड बीजेपीचीच आमदार अलिनान आवाज चोडोवंक सुरवात केल्या. डबल ट्रॅकाक खंय 14 मीटरहून सुवात खाली जाय. गोंयांत तशी सुवातूच ना.
Now, it is very important to see the proximity of the existing track to the houses. It is hardly 14 meters away, okay? And now you're coming with the second track. Now, I've been told by very definite authorities, railway authorities in fact, that to lay the second track, you need 14 meters towards, not towards the road, on the other side, 14 meters from the center of the existing track.
कासावले परिस्थिती पळयल्यार लोकांची घरादारां 14 मिटरा भितर.
Now, we marked this and we found out for ourselves visually that the second track, the land required comes within the compounds of the houses. In some cases, in Kasauli itself, the distance measurement of how much? 14 meters from the center of the track comes on the veranda of the houses. So now tell me, will people be able to live in these houses? Definitely not. So all of us will have to leave our houses and go away. Is this development? And if it is, whose development?
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.